Hey food lovers, do you love okwa but struggle with it staying fresh or coming out soft after cooking? Today I will show you my simple and yet powerful method to prepare and preserve dry okwa for months, and the secret to making it rise and soft before cooking it. You don't want to miss this, so please stay close. So right here is my dry okwa. This okwa has been in my house for over 8 months now. In fact, it's going 1 year. It can also be like this till the next 2 years without anything happening to it. The key to keeping your dried okwa fresh for a long time is proper storage. So after buying your okwa, spread it under the sun for hours to remove any hidden moisture. This can take up to 2 days if the sun didn't hit it well. Store it in a clean airtight container or ziploc bag, or a container just like what you are seeing on your screen. Keep it in a dry and cool place away from humidity. With this method, my dry okwa stays fresh for over 1 year and without getting bad or attracting insects. Now, before cooking, here is the magic trick. Instead of just washing and boiling it immediately, I soak my dry okwa in a clean warm water for the best method. By morning, you will see that the okwa has risen and softened. Or if I don't have that luxury of patience, I will just soak it for 5 hours or with hot water for an hour or 2 hours. But here I just soaked it for 4 hours. You will see that the okwa has risen and softened. You can see from your screen that the quantity I measured and the quantity you are seeing is no longer the same. I measured 3 cups earlier, so later I added extra 1 cup. But from here you can see that the okwa has risen and now it is now looking soft. With this, I'm able to cook it without any potash. Then I rinsed it properly before cooking. This trick makes it cook faster and gives it that soft fluffy texture we all love. And that is simple, right? Now you can enjoy perfectly soft and delicious okwa every time. Have you tried this method before? Let me know in the comments. And now, are you like me that enjoys okwa with pap? This my pap. I think I should share the method of me processing this pap from corn to what you are seeing right here, and you can see it is very rich. This my pap, you can enjoy it without sugar, milk or whatever, because everything I put inside is well processed. Like, it's so sweet. But me, I'm a sweet person and I love something extra sweet, so that's why I'm adding extra milk and honey to this. I will just enjoy it with pap. Are you like me, or you don't just like, you like eating it plain like that? Please, would you like me to share how I process my okwa from fresh okwa to dry okwa? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips. See you in my next one.